Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update an item in a SharePoint list with Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation tools you need to create your workflow. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Create to begin building your new flow. This is where you'll set up the automation that will update items in your SharePoint list. Next, from the options that appear, click on Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when triggered by a specific event, which is perfect for updating SharePoint items whenever something changes. Now you'll need to choose your trigger. Click on When an item is created to set it as the trigger for your flow. This means your automation will run every time a new item is added to your SharePoint list. After selecting your trigger, click Create to proceed. Once your flow opens, click on the trigger block to configure it. Here you'll need to input your site address and list name. Make sure these match exactly with your SharePoint site and the specific list you want to work with. This connection is essential for the flow to access the correct data. After configuring the trigger, click the plus icon below it to add the next step. In the search bar that appears, type Get Item and click on it when it shows up. This action retrieves the details of the item that was just created, which you'll need for updating it later. In the Get Item action, input your site address and list name again. Then on the ID field, click the lightning bolt icon to insert dynamic content. From the list that appears, click ID. This ensures the flow retrieves the correct item that triggered the automation. Now click the plus icon again to add another step. Search for Update Item and click on it. This is the action that will actually modify the item in your SharePoint list with the changes you specify. In the Update Item action, input your site address and list name once more. Then click the lightning bolt icon on the ID field and select ID under the Get Item section. This links the update action to the specific item you retrieved earlier. Next, click on Advanced Parameters to reveal additional fields you can update. For this example, click on Title, though you can choose any field you want to modify depending on your needs. Once the title field appears, click on it and then click the FX button to open the formula editor. In the formula field, type concat open parentheses, outputs open parentheses, single quote, get underscore item, single quote, close parentheses, question mark, open bracket, single quote, body slash titles, single quote, close bracket, comma space, single quote, space hyphen space, processed, single quote, close parentheses. This formula takes the original title and adds hyphen processed to the end of it, creating a new updated title. You can replace processed with any text you want to append to your title. After entering your formula, click Add to confirm the changes. At this point, your automation is fully configured and ready to save. You can now save your flow and run it to see it in action. Whenever a new item is created in your SharePoint list, this flow will automatically update its title with your specified text. And that's it. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that updates items in your SharePoint list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.